Ito yung groom, ang napangasawa ng pamangkin namin. At saka yung nanay niya.
And your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you. And the way you look.
All right, give it up. Thank you, team.
Masarap din itong appetizer. Talagang Pilipinong appetizer ito.
Everybody bow their heads. Give a moment of silence. We're gonna bless the food.
Villa Manila. Ito dati ito Yung Villa Manila dati ito Max Restaurant.
Everybody's attention here. We're all gathered here as a family. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this day. Thank you for blessing Joven and Angelica and the union